David Reynolds Jewelry and Coin has been serving St. Petersburg since 1971. We have a full line of jewelry and coins for everyone's taste. Our company was founded by Ron Spivak and Earl Waters on the principles of value, trust, and service. Our store is a small jewelry store with a large inventory. We also do a lot of jewelry repair, pewter jewelry design, jewelry appraisals, and jewelry restorations. You can come to our store and actually speak to the people who are going to make the jewelry. We design it in the computer. You get to see what it's going to look like before it's made, make changes as necessary, and know that the finished product is going to be up to par. What makes us stand out is integrity and trust. Our customers know that they can rely on us for quality products and services. We find that our customers keep coming back because of our friendly, knowledgeable staff, and we have 2 GIA graduate gemologists ready to serve. David Reynolds Jewelry and Coin is located in St. Petersburg on the corner of 40th Street and Central Avenue. We hope